All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is June 7th, 2024. It's BYOB Market Wrap Up with me, John Kerrigan. Let's take a look at some charts. First chart, let's go look at SPY. All right, so here's SPY, and we'll take a look at it on the daily chart. All right, so on the daily chart, we got a big, looks like a big topping tail candle right up there. SPY made new all-time highs today. Okay, another new all-time high for SPY today. Still in an uptrend. Got a higher low. No, got a equal low and a higher high closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. For the 2-hour chart. 2-hour chart, we came in with still open, so still got a 2-hour uptrend. 10-minute, we still got 10-minute downtrend coming into close. Thought we were going to get a 10-minute uptrend here, never got it. All right, so let's take a look at QQQ. All right, QQQ on the daily chart, another new all-time high for QQQ. Got a lower low and a higher high closing over the bullish trap over the rising 17 EMA. So there's QQQ putting in another new all-time high. FNGU putting in a lower high and a lower low closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. All right, so FNGU put in a 2-year high yesterday. All right, still bullish, still in an uptrend. IWM. All right, IWM didn't seem to help us out at all today, okay? The lower high, lower low, closing below the base. IWM's in a downtrend. Lower high, lower low, closing under the trap, under the 17 EMA. So IWM, no help from IWM at all today. And let's go take a look at Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow puts in higher low, higher high, closing over bullish cross. No, closing right at the bullish cross underneath the 17 EMA. See what the high is here. The high is 591.62. The high here is 592.25. Still in a downtrend for Diamond Dow, but trying to fight that off with higher lows and higher highs. Take a look at the technicals. T2122 never really got going today. Gosh, we got thrown out of the buyer's chop zone yesterday, and ever since the morning we've just made lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows, and we found ourselves right back in the sell zone. Isn't that strange? We got T2122 in the sell zone while some of the indices are making brand new all-time highs. That's just crazy. All right, that's just crazy. All right, T2123, selling from the beginning to the end of the day. T2123 3-bar. This price is just dying to embrace with this rising 200 SMA. You can see we're right into it right now. Okay, got a little space opening up between trend indicator or 17 EMA and the price action. So no help from the NYSE, small caps or mid caps, IWM, none of that helped us out at all today. Just really just sucked the energy out of the day. And for US dollar, look at this. US dollar does a bullish engulfing on this red candle, wipes out this candle, wipes out this candle, just headed back in the other direction, not the right place we want it. That's the 200 SMA, that red line, and I did not want to be above that. I wanted to consolidate underneath, and we were for 3 days, and after consolidating underneath for 3 days, we wound up just ratcheting right back up. So not a good sign there. Economic, no need for that. All right, let's go back to the markets and we'll look at SLV. Okay, SLV back in a downtrend, making a lower high and a lower low. All right, so SLV back in a downtrend, closing Got a lower high and a lower low here on the daily candle, closing underneath the bearish trap, underneath the 17 EMA. SLV back in a downtrend. Gold back in a downtrend. Lower high, lower low, closing underneath the bearish trap, underneath the 17 EMA. Nothing good came out of precious metals. USO is still in a downtrend with lower highs and lower lows on the daily chart. For today's candle, we got a higher low and a higher high, closed inside the bearish trap underneath the 17 EMA. UNG is the outlier here. Okay, UNG still in an uptrend, makes a higher low and a higher high, closing over this bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Oh, excuse me. Okay, SMH. Let's take a look at SMH. No new all-time high out of SMH, but we gotta zoom in here. Looks like 250.24, 250.49. So we got a higher low, lower high, inside day for SMH, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Still in an uptrend, SMH. XLK, still in an uptrend, XLK. Looks like we got a, well, looks pretty much like SMH. Low is 214.53. Low is 214.54. All right. All right. So higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. XLK still in an uptrend. Okay. SMH still in an uptrend. IYT. Transports, no help from the transports either. All right, so transports still in a downtrend. Transports put in a higher high and a lower low, but closing underneath the bearish cross, underneath the 17 EMA. So nothing good came out of the transports. XLF got up today, and they're in an uptrend. XLF is in an uptrend, taking out that high. Higher low, higher high, closing over a bullish cross and over the 17 EMA on XLF. All that's left is XLI, and that's the industrials. And industrials just almost another inside day again, okay? Looks like we got, it's an outside day, but an inside day compared to this big red candle. On the candle here on the XLI, we got a higher high. I think that's a higher high. High is 123.14. High is 123.09. Higher high, lower low, closing inside the bearish trap underneath the falling 17 EMA. Okay, got a head and shoulders pattern breaking out, forming up here. Definitely don't want to see this come tumbling down. All right, so there's XLI. All right, that's it. Traders, fall asleep. That's it for me for the weekend here. Everybody have a great weekend. Thanks for being here. Made some money today. Did some good. All right. Moved it up. I was looking for a little bit more. Didn't quite get it. Getting a breakdown in the afternoon here. All right. Other than that, I'll see you guys on Monday. Monday at 8 o'clock in the morning. All right. So Monday morning, we'll come back. We'll do it again. All right. So thanks for being here. Everybody have a wonderful weekend. Thank you.